This is Internet of Things World, a Silicon Valley conference all about a field of technology that many believe will transform industry. It's also the venue for a panel discussion hosted by ABB, and it's taking place exactly as Solar Impulse continues on its journey east across the US. Thank you very much for coming today to our session.
We have built, since the very beginning of the project, simulation which is able to compute all the critical parameters of the flight. We are able to provide the team and the pilot with the possibility to leave the entire flight before taking off in silico by computation. This simulation is a good example of what we can call dynamic simulation. It's also a good example of the challenges we meet at the convergence of big data and heavy computations. The Solar Impulse aircraft is probably not the first connected flying object, but it's certainly the most iconic one.
What Solar Impulse software does is it helps it manage and convert energy to the right place. It diverts it for it. And our software allows the same thing. It automatically detects, takes the analysis and analytics, and helps you predictively rearrange how you're maintaining it, how it's operating. You can get energy and trade it in a different way to make it more effective and efficient rather than having too much on hand or not enough.
So what we're looking today is we virtually have unlimited compute power, and the data platforms, the richness of the data platform that we have today is unprecedented. So this gives us a very different and new ability to understand what's going on with all the assets that we have. One of the strong suits of ABB from an asset management, they connect the assets of the world. Now what do you do with that kind of business intelligence that has not been available to you before? You take action on that. And then you drive business outcomes, but these are new outcomes that you have not even dreamed of before. So these are the things that we're working with ABB on.
ABB's alliance with Solar Impulse is based on shared values of pioneering technology and innovation. And as we've seen here at IoT World, ABB will continue to be a major player in Silicon Valley.